Okay, last one. Let's see what we've got. So Home Depot sells 2 types of brick, clay and concrete. Max loads 1 box with clay bricks and another with concrete bricks. The total weight is represented by the functions below. Which type of brick weighs more? And then we have some multiple choice questions to answer. So I'm going to do the equation first because there's no math, right? It's y equals mx plus b. M is my slope. So this is 3 over 1. And it's the weight per brick. So that's 3, I think it's pounds. 3 pounds for 1 brick. Let me make this a little bit bigger for the concrete bricks. Oh, sorry, that was concrete. This is the clay bricks. So for the clay bricks, I'm going to go from this point to this point. So my rise, let's see, we're counting by 2s. This is a 2, 4, so that's a 6. That's hard to read. So I'm going from 6 to 10. So 6, 8, 10, that's a 4. And then I'm going to the right. I go from 1 to 2, so I went over by 1. So this is 4 pounds per brick. All right, so this is for clay. The clay bricks weigh 4 pounds and the concrete bricks weigh 3 pounds. Let's answer these questions. The boxes weigh the same amount. So the weight of the box means the weight without any bricks in it. So over here, this 4, the plus 4 is the weight of the box. So the box weighs 4. That's the initial value. Box weighs 4 pounds. Over here, let's see. When I have 0 bricks, there's no point. But when I have 1 brick, it's 6 pounds. And the bricks weigh 4. So this box weighs 2 pounds. So the boxes do not weigh the same amount. The concrete bricks weigh more by 1 pound. Well, no, they weigh less by 1 pound. The clay bricks weigh more by 1 pound. Yes, they do. It's not possible. Yes, it is possible. So answer choice C. Choice A was a little weird because this wasn't an initial value lesson, but we still had to remember how to find initial value. So hopefully you didn't choose A and you were able to answer correctly with C. Your exit ticket is really straightforward. It's just asking you which rate of change is greater. So it's really similar to practice problem 2 if you want to go back and review that one to make sure you're ready. But that's it for these practice problems. You're ready for your exit ticket.